Hey guys, so in the previous vlog we had our art exhibition as the final project of the summer camp, and after that the story continued with us going camping. We met at Metro Bintan on the early morning. It was 6 a.m. then took about 40 minutes on the metro to the last station closest to our campsite.
There's a skyscraper. They don't think they go.
Honestly, at that point, I thought we were already almost there, but turns out we weren't. Because from there, we still had to walk around 2.2 kilometers while carrying everything with us, our clothes, cooking utensils, and some things for the party later that night. Somewhere in the middle, we stopped for pho bo. We ate pretty quickly because we needed to reach the campsite on time. After that, we just kept walking, passing through residential areas, small streets, and traditional market. And even though we were rushing a bit, everything around us felt quieter and slower. And eventually, we finally arrived at the campsite. We finally arrived at the campsite. So the campsite itself was actually around the Han King's temple, and the distance from the entrance to the main gate was way farther than we expected. So to make it more fun and probably faster, the teachers asked the kids to turn it into a race.
Run.
Whoa.
A few moments later.
So we finally arrived at the gate. Yes, I mean still the gate. We stopped there to check on each other, making sure everyone was there and accounted for. We still had a much longer way to go to actually reach the campsite.
We do some cardio.
Not just longer, it was all uphill with stairs, but yeah, we were like, okay, let's just try to make this fun.
Driving through West Virginia, and I've seldom been thinner. With that chip on my shoulder,
I'm so tired.
and this past year I got so much older.
Let's walk.
Looking back over my life, spent the most of it tongue-tied. I wish I'd had more time listening to you speak your mind. Now I'm thinking about it every day on my mind. It took me away. Are you a life force? Thinking about it every day.
So, we finally arrived, like for real this time. We missed one member, Vedang, who we usually call the monkey. So we sent him this.
Then where are you? There.
Where are we now?
It's in the city.
The city.
This is my home, my hometown. My mom is inside. My dad is working outside.
He's
Trying
getting
to
the
get
coconut.
our- yeah,
Coconut.
to try to get our lunch.
Yeah. Who's
And
that?
beer.
Who's that?
This is my kid.
Your kid? Where's
My
your husband? Husband
My
also
husband
working?
is working there.
At the
trying to
sea?
get- yeah,
Fish?
Yeah, trying to get
Okay.
the fishes.
Okay, I
for
see.
the stock for tomorrow, and tomorrow.
So hardworking family. Thank
Yeah,
you.
hardworking. Me and my mother stay here.
Mm.
Patriarchy.
Wife. You cooking? What's
I
cooking?
cooking. I cook raw fish.
Sashimi.
Sashimi.
Good job. These are two brothers. These two.
I'm taking the video. I'm the local here. I live in this jungle.
She's mother of one and
Yeah.
housewife. I'm just a tourist. That's why I'm dressed like that.
Yeah. City girl.
City girl. City girl look. I'm too afraid of the insects. They're low-key scary. But that's just how it is. Vivid. Good job, Hero Hafsa.
Yo.
It's a competition. The one who builds the finish to build the tent first will get the first place. And then they have to draw on these. And we're gonna vote. We have 14 teachers. And the team who will get the most votes will get first place. These are the teachers. We are 14 teachers. They are all very hardworking. I'm proud.
Hello.
This is Miss Anne, the best teacher here.
What? No. Almost student, not the best. Okay.
The microphone.
Okay.
Yes.
This is my baby. His name is K.
It's so hot inside. So hot inside.
I'm still fighting.
Nhiều lần yêu pernah vừa rồi tại vì bóng mơ anh đưa chiếc ô dalam trái tim em có cầu vồng và cầu vồng chỉ có khi mưa vừa tan anh không rời đi khi anh hết yêu.
After everything was finally settled, we had lunch and started getting ready for the mission of the day, and everyone basically had to give their best because we were about to compete.